Now come on here. Now tell me now. I understand, but I don't understand. See, now that Bible study over with, they didn't give us time for questions about get your money straight. I need to understand this letter right here. I can read a little bit, but you're gonna have to explain what this time. Deacon Ward, come on. Okay, Brother Ward. Now, this was a good Bible study and everything on get your money straight and stuff, but y'all can explain this correctly. Pastor needs to do a better job of explaining this to me, because in this letter, you understand what I'm saying with Social Security, direct deposit. I don't understand how direct needs to get my money. See, I don't know that. God bless you, Pastor. That was an excellent study, Pastor. Hallelujah. Hold on, I bless my pastor. Hold on. Here you go, Pastor.
Wonderful.
Oh, hallelujah.
Okay?
Yes, sir, Pastor. Yes, sir.
God bless you. God bless you.
Yes.
I'll see y'all
That
with
was awesome.
Awesome. Wait, sir.
God bless you.
All right. See y'all.
We love you, Pastor. We love you. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
He didn't explain this stuff to me. I need to know what's going on. Direct don't need my money. Me, myself, and I need my money. Come explain.
Well, Sister President, I ain't got time right now. I gotta catch this game, the Grizzlies better come on. It's 7:30, so, you know, Pastor went overboard like always. You know, he said he about to close, but, you know, he ain't gonna close.
Don't get out of here then. All these young people, these people can't help me around here. I'm gonna go find me somebody who can explain this. Find me somebody here. I got to find me somebody who can help me. Yeah, what's going on, my friend? Good morning to you, baby. Now come here. Now listen to me. Somebody gotta explain something to me. I got this in my box here. It's a Social Security Administration. I get my check every month. My Social Security comes every month. But now it's saying something about direct deposit my money. And my money got to go to direct deposit. I don't know nothing about no direct. Who is direct? Direct don't need Mother Pearlie money. Mother Pearlie money needs to come to me, myself, and I. Somebody needs to explain something.
Mother Pearlie.
Y'all need to explain. It's hot. You know?
Can I see that?
Look at my stuff now. Get me straight.
Okay.
Get me straight up in her.
I'm gonna get you started, but I need you to come back Wednesday night, okay? You know what we're doing on Wednesday night?
Yeah, I just came from there. It wasn't explained to me.
But you gotta come back week 2.
Okay, come back. Okay, now.
Week 2 to get that money straight. But this right here, all it says is that the Social Security Administration wants you to have direct deposit, and you can do it one of 3 different ways. Now, do you currently have a bank account?
I don't need no bank account. My money, when I get my check, I go to Wines and Spirits, and Wines and Spirits cash my check and give me my check.
Okay, and how much are you paying to cash your check?
No, get me straight. Get my money straight.
Okay, well, I want you to get your money straight and keep your money that you're paying to the liquor store to cash it. So I need you to come back and sit down with me on Wednesday night.
Wednesday night.
At our Get That Money Straight Financial Literacy Series. So I want you to come back and see me then, okay?
Yes.
What time is it?
Baby, I'ma be here with you, baby. 6:33 live. Everything. I'ma be here because I love my pastor. Y'all gonna explain this to me. I'm excited.
Okay,
Yeah.
we're gonna get you straight.
Thank you so much, baby. You so nice. These babies, I love my babies.
Okay.
Thank you so
Don't
much.
let this rain pressure up. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yo,
I don't want to hear you yell